What's up guys, it's your girl Shay Natural here, and I am here with a very long overdue unboxing, guys.
I've been thinking about you, hey, natural skin, smooth, you feed me too, shot it, you gotta choose, shot it, look good with no makeup.
I've had these two boxes downstairs for so long, and to the brands, I really do apologize. I don't even know what to say. I just really do truly apologize to KW Hair Care and Women to Women Naturals. But we're finna check these products out now. Yeah. So the first thing I'm going to open is my KW Hair Care. Let's check it out. And again, I'm sorry, brands, because I know y'all sent me these products. I don't even know how long ago at this point. They have literally just been downstairs, just sitting there. I'm sorry, like, I really apologize for that. But let's check them out. Let's open them. Their packaging, like the color, I like their brand color. It's really nice. Let me open this up. Let's open it up. Oh wait. Okay, I think I got it. Okay. Let's open it up. Oh, there's a little note that I took so long to read. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad. Because I'm so sorry. Like, I'm so sorry. Like, I've just been so busy. Dear Jade, thank you for agreeing to partner with us again. We love your content and can't wait for you to try our products. Looking forward to your review. KW Hair Care. The CEO. Oh, she has my last name. Her name is... Correct me if I'm saying it wrong. I'm so sorry if I am. Her name is Shalita Wilson. That's my last name. My last name Wilson. So, girl, we got the same last name, girl. I'm sorry. I bet you like this girl. I sent her them products months ago. I'm going to keep saying that because y'all just don't even understand how long them products been down there. And I really do feel really bad. Alright, so this is the packaging. Really cute. Bubble wrap. I love me some bubble wrap. Now let's unwrap it. Ooh, I love bottles like this. Looks like a little bit came out, but that's okay. That's okay. Oh my gosh. I'm not even looking at that. Oh my gosh, this bottle. Hold on. I just love bottles like this. Like, and this is a big bottle. I have a really small bottle with an applicator tip, but this bottle, yes. Silk growth oil. Oh my gosh, I just finished washing my hair. This would have been perfect for doing my scalp, but I already oiled my scalp. Growth oil, KW Beautiful Hair, and this is their label. It's really cute, and they're also based in Atlanta as well. So this is their label. It's really cute. This is their silk growth oil. Infused with olive oil, coconut oil, lavender oil, rosemary oil, shea butter, and other naturally organic ingredients. Definitely looking forward to checking this out. You smell it. I'm big on smell. And it came with like a wrapper. I wonder how it oil will be leaking out so easily though. So it's no telling how this thing got out. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like oils. Like, it just smells like oils. It smells like I got all of these oils that she said right here and mixed them up. That's exactly what it smells like. So this smells really good. I cannot wait to try this out and show you guys me using this. Other one, it got a little oily. It's oil everywhere a little bit. Oh, so you gotta shake this one up real good. This is the Kytoplastic Follicle Stimulating. I'm gonna try this out right now. I'm sorry. But this is a follicle stimulating spray. So basically, you just spray it on your scalp, and I guess it just stimulates your follicles. Let's see. It's made with infused filtered water, organic lavender flowers, organic rosemary, and 2 more organic oils. Yeah, I want to spray this now. I just finished washing my hair. I put on some hair milk with my butter on top, And then I use the oil to, of course, oil my scalp. So that's why I'm really not about to use too many of these products, because I literally just finished doing my hair. But I want to spray this on my scalp and see how I like it. And then you shake it up, because it's like, I don't know if you guys can see. It's kind of like some stuff moving around. I think that's the lavender flower. Yeah, organic lavender flowers. I think that's what it is. That's really cool. Let me smell it before I just spray. And it smells really good. It smells just like herbs. Like, it smells really natural. That's really good. I like that. And it feels good. And it's really lightweight. Like, it's really misty. I like that. So it's not going to be too much product buildup. Okay. So that's it for that box. Let's go to the next box. This is Women to Women Naturals. This feels like a nice amount of stuff. A few stuff. So this is the packaging. I cut it a little bit and I just opened it. This is it. So this is Women to Women Naturals new and improved Queen Collection vegan, paraben and sulfate free moisturizing shampoo. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try that out. Is that, oh, it's so much more. Well, it's 2 more bottles. Okay. So this is the vegan moisturizing shampoo, rich in shea butter, hibiscus, and has anti-aging properties. Okay, so this is their shampoo, and I really like the bottle. The packaging is really nice. I'm weird, but I'm big on packaging. And then this is the vegan paraben free. I cannot believe this is vegan stuff. Like, I'm really excited about that. This is the moisturizing conditioner. Though I'm probably gonna need a bigger bottle of this conditioner. Like, Women to Women, we're gonna have to, I'm probably gonna need a bigger bottle of this. But this is the shampoo and conditioner. The conditioner also is rich in shea butter and hibiscus and has anti-aging properties as well. So I really can't wait to try these out. Man, I literally just finished washing my hair. I should have did this unboxing, but my hair was looking crazy, so I couldn't get on the camera with my hair looking any type of way. So I had to like wash it first because I got tired of restyling my hair. Like, my hair needed some love, some TLC. Okay, so yeah, this is the leave-in conditioner. Ooh, I just ran out of my other spray-on leave-in conditioner, so I'm really excited about this. This one isn't, I don't see vegan on this one. Leave-in conditioner contains certified organic extracts, passion fruit seed oil, wheat protein, biotin, and horsetail extracts. If I ain't just spray that stuff on my hair, I should have sprayed this on my hair. We're definitely gonna, I cannot wait, because this, I can, I'm sorry if I'm talking too fast, y'all, but I can definitely do a full video, like a full wash video with these 3 products: shampoo, conditioner, and I would stretch it out with this leave-in conditioner. So I definitely can't wait to try this out and show you guys. And let me smell them. This smells really good. I like the smell for the shampoo. Let me smell the conditioner. This conditioner smells good too. The conditioner smells really good. They both smell really good. Now let me smell the leave-in conditioner. Oh, so it's like, this is the leave-in conditioner. Maybe I have to shake it up, because like, how am I going to spray that, you know? But I'm still excited to use it, especially, I think I like this consistency. The only thing is, when I'm doing like, when I'm only stretching my hair out, I like more misty things, because I'm going to add more product onto it, and I don't want too much product build up. But this would definitely, I'll probably just use this as a styler, you know. We'll see how it works out. But you can shake it up. Let me shake it up and see. Yeah, so I would probably use this as a styler, because it's not as misty as I thought it would be, you know, like the one I just sprayed on from KW Hair Care. And like I said, when I'm stretching my hair out, I want something more misty, because that's not all of the product that I'm putting on my hair. For this for example, I use very lightweight products, because I'm going to go in and style. When I go in and style, I'm going to be adding on more products, you know. So yeah, but I'm definitely excited about this. I would definitely use this as a styler, probably. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my unboxing, you guys. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry again to the brands. I really do truly apologize about how long I took to do this unboxing. But I'm definitely going to be using these products out soon. Like, they're really amazing. Like, I haven't tried them, well, except the spray mist, which I really like. But as far as, you know, the ingredients, what's in them, how they smell very natural. Don't smell like any, you know, processed chemicals, anything like that. So yeah, I'm really excited about using these products. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or anything about any of the brands, I'm definitely here to answer them for you. And I'll see you guys later. Bye guys, love you.